What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna open the 1K Robux pack on Universe Football. Let's see. All right, start out kind of bad. All right, what's that? Oh, all right, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Let's see. Oh, that's actually good. Yeah, bro. Oh, let's see. Oh, damn. Oh my God, I wanted this. Let's go. Gold. Let's go. Oh my God, amethyst. Let's go. Duplicate? How? Oh my God. Oh, let's go. I'm using that. Oh my God. Bro, a tote bag. Are you kidding me, bro?